I'm Shannon, I'm the chef here at Melt.
My name is Diane, and I am co-owner of Melt Revival here in Northside.
Melt is a made-from-scratch Whole Foods restaurant, and we focus on sourcing local and organic ingredients and creating healthy dishes.
We provide kind of a healthier version of comfort food. Yeah, we make a great chili, but it's a pretty healthy chili. Both Shannon and I have been vegan or vegetarian for most of our lives. I think that we are both very focused on community and the environment.
One of the most important things about sourcing local and sustainable foods is number one, supporting our community here in Northside, and also just reducing the carbon footprint that sourcing mass-produced foods can have on the environment. So
we have amazing partners. We have Clucks and Alley for our coffee. We have Northside Meats for the 3 meats that we do serve. Skinny Piggy, Fat Ferments. We use 16 bricks. Our breads are amazing, and we're very fortunate to be working with them.
One of the most important things you get is extremely fresh food. We get our salad greens, for example, through the Local Valley Food Connection, so they're probably cut from the field several days before we receive them here. That's one of the most important things, I think, to me as a chef, in what types of ingredients we actually use to make food as healthy as possible. I thought it'd be really fun to show people how easy it is to make nut milks, and then use that nut milk to make a vegan cheese. In order to make a nut milk, all you have to do is soak your nuts, and typically you want to soak them overnight, but you can fast soak them if you want in hot water, and that might take an hour or 2. But ideally you do it overnight. Take those nuts out of the refrigerator and you strain them and clean them really well the next morning, and then they're ready to blend. And the ratio that we use for cashew milk is 1 cup of soaked cashews to 4 cups of water. Put that in a blender, blend it up. You can use cheesecloth or a very fine mesh strainer and kind of push that pulp through the strainer, and voila, you have your cashew milk. The next step is, again, we're going to use soaked cashews to make our vegan cheese, which is a cashew cheese. So we'll take those soaked cashews, we're going to blend that up with a little cashew milk, some other ingredients. Nutritional yeast is a good one. It gives a bit of a cheesy flavor. It's very healthy also for vegans who might lack some of those nutrients that you get from eating meats. So it can be extremely healthy. And we're gonna blend up a bunch of those ingredients in the blender, and voila, we'll have our vegan cheese.
I didn't start really drinking kombucha until probably about, I don't know, maybe 5 or 10 years ago. I started drinking it for gut health. It's also really great for hangovers. We're gonna make a cocktail today, and I am gonna be using gin. I love gin as well because I think there are some really great botanical qualities to gin that make it a little bit more interesting than something like a vodka. So I'm gonna take a large goblet, take a couple ounces of gin, a little bit of lemon juice, and a little bit of simple syrup that I made. And we're gonna stir that up with a little bit of ice, and then add in some kombucha, add a slice of lemon, and it's done.
Yeah, we've been fortunate enough to be able to stay open during all of this, and right now we're open Tuesday through Saturday from 11 until 8.
You can actually walk right into the cafe, and we will take your order. You can pay with credit card or cash. We have gloves, we have hand sanitizer. We're wiping down the restaurant constantly after every use. You can call us. You can order through DoorDash. If you want to do a customer pickup, it's completely free. So it's kind of a great way to actually take your time and look at the menu and then order it that way. And then if you didn't want to go out, you can actually have it delivered with DoorDash. And on Saturdays, DoorDash is making it free for people. So you don't have to pay that delivery fee too.